Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? In this video I'm gonna teach you how to make a beautiful and nice mate. Yeah, this thing that you can see here, this is called mate. But before starting with this video, I would like to tell you what this is, okay? So the mate is basically a drink, an Argentinian drink that everybody here in Argentina have. So this is basically like a tea, like, you know, matcha or green tea. We can say that this is like a coffee but lighter. I would say it is in the middle, like between a tea and coffee, okay? So it will be here the mate. In first place, this is super bitter and probably you will not like it the first time that you try this. You just get used to it after a long time or after some times drinking it. Let's start now with this how-to video, okay? So in first place, we have this mate. This thing here is called the calabaza, okay? The name is calabaza, okay? Yeah, as you can see, it's basically a cup, calabaza. Then we have this that is a straw, okay, a straw, or bombilla. Okay, so as you can see, I have a filter, but it is not necessary, okay? Some Argentinian people or Uruguayan people will make fun of me because using of this filter, but I basically use it because it has a lot of dust that I don't like it. Once you have these two things, you just need the yerba mate or yerba mate, that is mate herbs, okay, mate herbs. So here, as you can see here in this little thing, inside I have the yerba mate. I will put it into this calabaza or this mate. Meanwhile, I can tell you that the mate is my favorite drink and every Argentina have it every day. More or less like 2 times a day or just 1 time a day. It depends on the person. As you can see, it has some of this dust that I'm telling you, and now more or less I have it. You are not supposed to put a lot here. Now, once you have it like this, you must have this thing that is the termo. The termo is the place where we pour the water. Okay, basically it is inside. Normally Argentinians like to have the Stanley termo, or you can use any other, but I think the best is Stanley. Once you have the water inside, you just pour it into the mate. Let me show you so you can see much better here. And you are not supposed to put a lot, okay? You just a bit or just a medium of water, not really a lot. So once you have it, I think I can have a little bit more, okay, like this. So you shall pour water until it looks like this. If you have more, then everybody would say that is a soap and it is not a mate and everyone will make fun of you. So try to avoid that, okay? So now you have like this, you just drink it. You have to know that you don't move the bombilla, okay? Don't do it like this, don't take it out or something, no. Just keep it on the place and don't touch it because everyone will hate you if you do that. Okay, so just don't do it. And then you have another mate while you have with conversation with your friends. So the mate is like the perfect excuse to have a conversation or to meet with your friends. So everybody here in Argentina does it. We have something called merienda that is basically the mate time that is like an afternoon snack that everybody here in Argentina have it during 5 p.m. more or less, 1 hour later or 1 hour before. The mate time, let's say, or the merienda time is when you meet with your friends or just you alone and you drink it all during this time. Okay, so remember that this time at 5 p.m. or a little later, it is the time of dinner in the United States. But here in Argentina and Uruguay, it is just the mate time or the merienda time, okay? So that's something super interesting that you have to know. So that's why it is super important to know about the culture. Remember that I have a playlist here, you will find it over here, where you will see all my videos about Argentina, all my videos about the Argentinian culture, Argentina Spanish. So you shall check it out. So let's continue now with the mate. So as I told you, the mate is super energetic drink. It is super bitter and you have to get used to it. Otherwise you won't like it. But how to like it? Let's say, I can tell you that you just have to keep on trying it again until one day you feel like it is like the best drink ever because you get used to the taste and now you love it. And another important thing is that we share this straw or this bombilla with everyone. If you have 10 friends or you have 5 friends, you will share it with everyone. So you will pour some water, then you drink, and then you pass it to the right side until he drinks and he gives it back, and you have to pass it again to the following person, and you continue until you end up with the list of maybe the circle of people, okay? So that's super important and you have to know it. You may say that this is like awful, like why do you guys do that? Like it's super ugly, like why do you share it? So this is like a tradition, everybody does it, nobody cares. There's no sickness at all with the mate or something like that. So maybe you just have to be careful with who you share it. Okay, that's my advice, but if you know your friends, you can share it. Anyways, here in Argentina, we share it with everyone. So it's a super interesting thing, and maybe you don't like it, I don't know, but you have to keep your mate for yourself if it is like that. Okay, so I hope that you have liked this video. I remember that I'm a Spanish teacher and I help in this channel with all or everything that you need to know about Spanish and Argentina. So subscribe to this channel. Remember that you have a playlist with all of the things that you have to know about Argentina, the culture, the Spanish or from Argentina. And also I have a Telegram group in which I help Latin travelers or people that wants to come here to Argentina to speak Spanish, and I also share all the news that you have to know to be here in Argentina. All types of news. If you have any question, you can ask me there. Everyone is constantly making questions, speaking Spanish. So if you want to do it, so you have in the description link to join to my Telegram group. So I hope you have liked this video and thank you very much for watching this. Nos vemos en otro video. Chao, chao.